Hey friends, on today's quick tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to set up voice control for Strava. It's a really cool addition that you can use on your iPhone. Let's do it. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm going to set up voice controls for my iPhone using Strava. This will work in a similar fashion if you have an Android device and are set up for voice controls on that device. Again, we're going to be using an iPhone today. So we're inside my application on my iPhone. You can see that we're inside Strava. And what we're going to do is come up to the top right-hand corner, and we're going to click on that little settings icon. Now, inside of our settings, we have a bunch of additional options that you can select. Go through this. There's some really great stuff in here. I'm going to actually scroll down all the way until we see Siri and shortcuts. Now, remember, Siri has to be active for you to use this specific feature, meaning that it has to be enabled so that when you use the magic voice commands, Siri is prompted to do some things. So if that's set up on your iPhone, this will work great. I'm going to click Siri and shortcuts now. And then it's going to say, hey, we need to have permission in order to access Siri. Now, I've previously gone into here and disabled this. I'm going to actually re-enable it now. So what we can do is click on the settings button. This takes us over into the settings for Strava. And then as you can see, we have Siri and search here. I'm going to click on this. And then we can use with Ask Siri down at the very bottom there. It's going to turn that on. Let's go back to Strava. And then we can go back into the Strava application here. Okay, so we're back in Series and shortcuts here on Strava. Now at this point, we're actually enabled to do this. And you can see there's a couple of example commands that are up and ready. These can be adjusted, but I found the defaults work really, really great. In fact, if I were to say, hey Siri, start a run, it would automatically pop up and ask me, hey, do you want to do this with your fitness app or do you want to do this with Strava? You just indicate Strava and it's good to go. Fortunately, I can't do this while I'm recording my screen, but it is, again, a handy little feature. Hope that helps, friends. If it does, hit that thumbs up button for me. Lets us know we're making helpful videos for you. Subscribe. We're making a ton more Strava tutorial videos. Those will be released really, really soon. And we'll see you again on the next one.